Ooh, here we are, 5 years on YouTube and 5 million views on my YouTube channel. You know, looking back over the last 5 years and the evolution of my channel and my business and myself, but it is that time of year when we look back and we reflect on the past and make a plan for the future. And in this video, I'm going to reflect back on how much YouTube has paid me for my 5 million views. Now, I asked you all on Instagram, if you're not following me, VidProMom, then you missed out on this. My channel is either about to or has already just passed 5 million views for the total lifetime. Do you have any guesses? What do you think YouTube paid me for 5 million views? Tell me that. Well, I am gonna spill the beans for you, so let's hop over to my desk and check out those analytics. What am I doing on my floor? You know, every once in a while, I decide to rearrange some things in my office until I get it just right. And then it will be just right briefly, and then I need to change it again. And that's what's happening. I am makeshifting a tripod as a true YouTube creator would do. If I do this without spilling my coffee and my desk, it'll be a miracle. Okay, so I have my Joby tripod sitting on top of a shelf, which is on top of a crate. Now, ad revenue is one of those things that YouTube creators tend to obsess about, and I totally get it because we want to earn money for the content that we're creating on YouTube for YouTube that YouTube is benefiting from. But the consequence of obsessing over it is that you're focusing your energy on something that you have no control over. And there are other revenue streams, and I'll share a little bit about what mine are at the end of this video. I started publishing every week on YouTube back in January 2015, and I didn't really know making money on YouTube was a thing. I mean, that sounds so dumb now, but I wanted to be a blogger. My plan was to monetize my blog. And I remember like 4 or 5 months after I started, I logged into my YouTube analytics and I saw that I had made 12 cents. And then a couple months later, I logged in and saw that I had made $12 in the past month, and I was like, wow, like YouTube is actually paying me in dollars now. But I didn't actually get paid until July or August because you have to have a minimum of $100 accumulated in your account for them to send you that first payment. And then it wasn't until a year after that I started consistently making at least $100 a month. Now, aside from ad revenue, you know, one of the metrics we all love to obsess over is how many subscribers we have. And you probably already know this, but YouTube doesn't pay you based on the number of subscribers you have. The number of subscribers doesn't really matter at all, but I like to think of it as a success metric, as one of the success metrics, because as your subscriber count goes up, that's a good indication that you're doing all of those right things to grow your channel. What really matters to YouTube and to your bottom line, your ad revenue, is your views. And we know that views matter because that's the very first metric that YouTube shows us when we log into our YouTube analytics. We have views, then watch time, then subscribers, and then revenue. YouTube wants views and watch time on their platform because that is how they make money. And so therefore, you want views and watch time on your channel because that is how you are going to get a cut of that revenue. And nobody wants to put all that work into creating videos and then not see any ROI or return on that investment, right? So as of today, I'm at like 4.8 million views. We're just gonna round this up to 5. So 5 million views, 5 years on YouTube. How does this shake out in terms of what YouTube has paid me to create videos on this platform? And I'm gonna share some caveats to this as well, because what you see here isn't exactly as it seems. So after 1 year on YouTube, I had made $409.95 total, and I had gone from 0 to 2,000 YouTube subscribers. So that was my first year, not too bad. And after 2 years on YouTube, I was at about $1,700 total. After 3 years, I was at $4,500 total. That is more than double. channel. And I gained a lot of traction in year number 4 with 3.5 million views and $10,000 total in my ad revenue. Now, year number 5, truth be told, my channel did not really grow a whole lot this year. And the reason is because I was focused on some other areas of my business. And so because I wasn't focused on YouTube, not a whole lot happened here on YouTube. So here we are at the end of year 5, just a hair under 5 million views and just a hair under $16,000 total in the last 5 years. Now, I mentioned a couple of caveats about how what you see here isn't the full picture. So let me explain what I mean by that. Ad revenue is one single passive income stream that you have available to you. And so, yes, we like to obsess over it. It's like money that you're creating out of thin air. And some gurus will even say, oh, your AdSense money, it's not even real money. It's fun money. It's just a nice surprise to have every single month. But I think we can all agree it's real money. YouTube really is depositing real money into your real bank account. Please tell me it's going into your business bank account and not your personal bank account, but that's a whole separate subject. For example, MyPie has affiliate income, ad revenue through my blog with Mediavine. I have clients who I help get them started and grow their YouTube channel. I have courses, I have a membership program, plus sponsored brand deals in addition to YouTube's ad revenue. This is such a fun business model, and one of the best perks is that even if you go long periods of time without publishing any new videos on YouTube, you can still get paid through YouTube and through these other passive income streams if you are creating content that is generating views, weeks, months, and years down the road. If you're wondering how to create that long-term binge-worthy video content on YouTube, I put all of the details in my Fast Way to 1K YouTube subscribers workbook, which you can grab for free in the link down in the description, or you can watch the video that I have queued up for you over here.